I'm Marlana, and I'm a vendor coordinator at Quanex in Thomasville, North Carolina. Coming into the manufacturing industry, I was a little nervous because I come from a banking background as well as a little bit of construction. It eased my feelings a little bit to learn that here at our plant we make window parts, and that was something I am familiar with my last company, being involved in window and door remodeling. So as a vendor coordinator in my role, what we do is every day we get orders together for the vendors, our outside assembly, and we get the orders together. We make sure, the parts are correct, as well as going along with their label. We document the orders accurately in our records to make sure those records are kept correctly. And then we also want to make sure we communicate the deadlines with the vendors as well so we can get the product back in time to ship out. Yeah, the benefits that Quanex offers is really good. Honestly, it's the best I've seen thus far in my working experience. Of course, they offer medical, dental, vision, which are really good with the coverage that they provide you. And then also the fact that they take care of your costs for your work boots or work shoes, and then even the safety glasses, because I do wear prescription glasses, so that's really a nice thing, and you can really see how they value their employees in that way. I've definitely felt valued so far as an employee here because I feel like I'm not just a number, how some people may feel in a company. I feel like they acknowledge me as a person through the things that they provide for me. Being a part of something bigger as an employee makes me feel like I'm a piece to the puzzle. We're all pieces to that puzzle, which is Quanex. And being able to, even in, as some may think, a small role like mine, I'm able to make an impact and to help the company achieve their goals and being greater every day. I'm Marlana, and I'm a part of something bigger.